Welcome back to Dimension Trader. This is John T. This channel is too dedicated to help the trader like you to improve your trading skill in 7 days. Subscribe, like, and share if you learned something today. Let's begin. First of all, we are going to explain why we encourage you to take the live trade instead of the demo trade. Because in the psychology side, if you're doing the demo trade, this is not real money. So a lot of the stress, panic, and the fear is not going to be applied for you in the same time. That means your trading experience is not going to be applicable. That's why if you have a small amount, we encourage you to do the live trade. As long as you follow your trading plan, you follow your risk and management, and your management on the trade position while it's open, then we believe live trade is much better than a demo trade. That is pretty much about the suggestion for day 6. We are going to encourage most of the people to do a live trade instead of the demo trade. Back to the Tesla. From the previous review, we have checking the scalping position for the short. Here is what we are expecting from last time. When the dimension 3 is forming on the top, pricing create a resistance when the trend line respect, and dimension 1 on the bottom. This is where we expecting for dimension 4. And today the pricing is dropping from the timing we are calling for short and to the target 1 and target 2 till it hit the trend line from the hourly trend line. When the price bounce right from here all the way to our top resistance on this area. Okay, at this point we realize that there is a dimension forming right here. That's creating the long position setup because the position has been respecting to the trend line, and as the dimension 3 forming under support with the trend line, this is the position that's against the scalping short at 15 minutes. That could be a very good long position. Once you are in the short scalping, you manage the position to target 1 and target 2. You will leave something on the table, but you are going to keep the profit in the pocket along the way. If you recognize the long position, of course, this long position is going to be entry right here, right at the trend line, along with the support of the dimension 3, with target 1, target 2, target 3, and target 4 reach all the way to the top resistance of the dimension 4 zone. Okay, so this is the long position setup after the scalping we realized on the previous video. Okay, so where is this Tesla stock is going to be going from this area? First of all, this is going to be the resistance for dimension 4, and we do not see any clear trend line that's been confirming the direction that we are expecting if the pricing is going to short. At this point, trend line is right here, and we have a trend line on here for the day. We do not see anything has been react right this area, not the candle, not the obvious trend line break, and we do not have anything yet for another short position setup. So if you are long, make sure the management on the position is going to be safer on the profit lock once the pricing moving upward, and you're going to move your stop along the way. So, and our next target, if the pricing is not coming down, this is going to be our next dimension, once dimension 4 zone target, right around 196 and 193 zone. In this point, pricing might reaching up to the uptrend, the downtrend trend line, right this area. That is the time we need to be very cautious and lock some profit out if you are longing to the position this far. Okay, so that's pretty much about the Tesla. By doing the trading journal, it will help you to review your trading record, which is the past trade you've done, if it's correct or there's some improvement that you can change for the future position. In order to make a proper trading journal, you will need have the detail of the charts that you are viewing when you're doing the trade. Once you are taking the trade and the trade close, you can always snapshot the trading and type in couple information that you think is going to be help you on the future position. Let's do a quick example. For example, from the last time we saw the Tesla, this trade is been scalping short in this area. So we take a snapshot and type in and copy this picture. We are going to open a new tab, whatever you are going to use as a trading journal. So this is going to be the previous chart. That's the position we are talking about scalping. And we can type in the day, and we can say we opened about 178.63. Okay, this is the open, and we close around 175.34. Okay, because when price reached this area, we moved our stop to 178, and the pricing moving further down, we move our stop to 175, and pricing bouncing back and then make the close this position. So this what we write is close, which means we have around $3.29 profit. Okay, as the dimension, we can make a note here. Price reject from the downtrend trend line at our chart along with candle pattern right at dimension 1 resistance zone, and the price close after we remove stop to open. Target one twice. Price come back and start out the position with profit of 1. Okay, this is a simple note for your trading journal, and you are going to make your record of win, loss, and the break even. For this trade, because we have 1-to-1 profit, let's put into a win, and you're going to make this one for every single trade you are making. The goal of the trading journal is while you are doing the live trade, this is going to help you to review what you are doing correct and what you can improve. The good side for this trade is we managed the position with profit, even the pricing against us at the scalping position of 15 minutes. And the other side is, okay, we realize there is another long position when pricing moving down and our position is in the risk of the stopping out when we see the new long position setting up. So this can help us say, okay, next time when we're doing the short and the pricing is moving to our favor, but we always want to look out if there is any long position that's against our current one. If we do, we can either manually close and open a long position right away, or you can do hedge or whatever is your strategy is going to be, along with your indicator study to make sure we will not miss the long position if we are scalping the short. So this is pretty much about the trading journal. You're going to write this for every single trade you are doing. Then we can see your good and bad, your position, your date, your chart, and your ratio of winning and the loss. Okay, that's pretty much about the trading journey. Back to our stock pick today. We found a stock ticket HDSN. This is the position we realize as the weekly trend line, day trend line, that's forming around the dimension 2 after dimension 3, along with the support testing once, twice, along with the trend line. This is a very good position to make a loan, and we were expecting pricing to retest in this high or up to the $13.40 area, where is the resistance zone for dimension 4. Okay, so this is going to be a long-term trade because the setup was found in the day and the week. This is going to take a while for the pricing moving on to dimension 4 before we have any reaction from that zone. Okay, so this is about the pick of the day. And we just went over why we are encourage you to open the live account with a little money to begin live trade instead of the demo trade. Because in a psychology view of the point, you were facing a lot of the real feeling, like fear of the pricing against you and the disappointment when you're facing the price that your position lose money or your account balance drop. Those are the real feeling demo account is not going to be giving you. If you are concerned about the trading as your long-term career, this is a very important step. You will need to go with a live account as soon as you can. Try to manage your risk and follow your trading plan. That can help you a lot in the long run on the trading business. Okay, that's pretty much about today's training and today's stock pick and preview on the Tesla. If you learned one thing or two today, please subscribe, share, and like. Leave the comment below. Let us know how we can help you to improve your trading skill. And we'll come back to you soon on the next video. Bye.